everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sevim. If you want to grow your Instagram following, this website is just for you. You will just click on the link in the description below and go to this website, and let's go to growth estimation. It's showing me what to do. Profile setup. Your profile is fully set up and account has been registered for some time. 12 posts. It will help me featured in the Instagram Explorer. Profile setup. You are attempting to attract new followers. It's best to keep your account public. Business page. Not a business page. Not a problem. Although you do get access to advanced analytics. Following proportion. You have more following than followers. Instagram may see your profile as spammy. Story highlights. Great to see you are using story highlight. Instagram generally promotes profiles using these features and verified. Not a major issue, but helps a lot with the follow back rate. It gives you some checks and explain what's the reason of things. And these are what they are suggesting. Go and check out your page and see how you can improve your page as well, and you can start growing your channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye.